I have read so many good books this past year, and especially these past few books that I've been reading. It's been such a joy to discover new worlds and just enjoy a good book. I definitely favor more of literary and classics, but yeah, I've especially been enjoying books that take place in the 60s and 70s, like the one that I'm reading right now, Americana by Don DeLillo. Cooking has also become a really big passion of mine. I've always really loved it, but within the past year, I've really been having fun with working on new recipes or just cooking other people's recipes or even just adding things to frozen pizza. It's been a lot of fun for me. Okay, so part of this is maybe because I have COVID, but I've been really getting into television, TV shows, all that jazz, like Euphoria, as you can see, but also Succession. I recently also watched The Midnight Club. I definitely want to do a video soon about my thoughts about recent things that I've been watching.